Looky there, 189.5 pounds. Yay, I'm down 149 pounds total now. Breakfast is my yogurt and cottage cheese with some flavor enhancer. My 3 chicken sausages. This yogurt is, let me see if I can do it, the frozen one. This is one that I had made up, the yogurt cottage cheese, and put it in the freezer. So I took a taste just to see. It's like it's, I taste, of course, I know it's cottage cheesy, but it's kind of almost grainy, almost like grits, which is fine, doesn't bother me. But so it seems like that's the difference in the texture after it's been frozen. So it will have a different texture when you freeze it. But hang on, let me double check and taste it again. Yeah, just grainy like grits, only cold, and probably the breakdown of the cottage cheese chunks are a little more smaller. But anyway, tastes good, so that's what I'm having. And this one is the raspberry lemonade. Hey, I forgot to show you all. This is what I'm wearing today. You've seen this skirt before, but this shirt, isn't this pretty? I got it at the thrift store. I'm at work, and I got my coworker recording. But look at these little things. Aren't they pretty? So, yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. And I got this necklace at the thrift store, too. Okay. Lunch today is steak bites, and I'm going to put some everything bagel seasoning. I think I just dumped some on my desk. But that is going to be my lunch today. This is an example of, like I said, I just want to be able to have just the meat sometimes. So that's my lunch. Supper tonight is 6 ounces of that 80-20 ground beef mixed with 80-20 ground pork that I had this weekend. So I'm taking that and then some vegetables that I've got. I nuked it for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to put them together and then I'll nuke it for another minute. There's no seasonings on it yet, so let me go on and add a little bit of the Slap Your Mama. And I'm going to do a little bit of, I've got real salt, real salt, garlic salt. I'm going to put some of that in there. And then some adobo. And I'm going to add some of that G. stir fry flavor. There we go. I need to put a lid back on it. I'm going to nuke it for 222 and I'll get back to you. I tell you, I don't know what my malfunction is, but starting, I guess it was Saturday night. Oh my gosh, I went to bed at like 5:30 on Saturday. I have no idea what the deal is. And then last night, I was ready to go to bed by 7. And it's 5:30 right now. And I'm not sure. I thought I'm sleeping fine. Last night, I know last night was 4th of July. So, there's lots of fireworks and stuff because, they could shoot them off till midnight. But anyway, so I'm just kind of going to see how things go. But, there's nothing I can do about it. But I got to try to make myself stay up late tonight. Or at least stay up, stay up till 9 so I can, not sleep, not wake up at dadgum 3:30 in the morning. So there we go. That's what I'm having for supper. Like I said, the 6 ounces of 80-20 ground beef, ground pork, and vegetables with the seasonings and that G. Hughes stir fry sauce. Let's see. That's good. Sorry, an alarm went off. This just goes to show you don't have to do a whole bunch of work. You don't have to do a whole bunch of fancy stuff every night when you get home from work. This is a perfectly acceptable meal for people who are keto, people who are not keto, people who are families, whatever. You don't have to do a whole bunch of work. Just pull your veggies out of the freezer and defrost them and throw them with some meat and some kind of sauce or whatnot. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. So keep it simple. That's my philosophy.